Hello, I'm Shivani, your English coach for classes 10th and 12th CBSE. Today's poem is A Tiger in the Zoo, written by Leslie Norris. He was a famous Welsh poet and a short story writer. आज मैं इस पोम को डिटेल में एक्सप्लेन करूंगी. In this poem, the poet has presented a contrast between a tiger in the zoo and a tiger in its natural surroundings. I'll read the first stanza and then explain it. He stalks in his vivid stripes the few steps of his cage, on pads of velvet quiet in his quiet rage. The poet says he, that is the tiger, is walking angrily in his distinct stripes inside a cage. The tiger's stripes are very clearly visible. I think you all know tigers have brownish or blackish stripes on their skin. The tiger is walking on its soft, velvety paws without making any sound. The tiger is in rage or in uncontrolled anger because it has been held captive in a cage inside a zoo. Due to scarcity of space, it can take only a few steps inside the cage. In these lines, the poet has described the pain or agony and the helplessness of a tiger in a cage. इन लाइन्स में पोएट लेस्ली नॉरिस ने एक पिंजरे में बंद टाइगर के एंगर और हेल्पलेसनेस को डिस्क्राइब किया है. पोएट कहते हैं कि टाइगर अपनी ब्राउन और ब्लैक धारियों में पिंजरे के अंदर की छोटी सी जगह में बिना किसी आवाज़ के चक्कर लगा रहा है. उसके पैर के तलवे मखमल या वेलवेट की तरह सॉफ्ट है, इसलिए उसके चलने की कोई आवाज़ नहीं आ रही है. वो बहुत गुस्से में है. नाउ द सेकेंड स्टैंजा. He should be lurking in shadow, sliding through long grass, near the water hole where plump deer pass. In this stanza, the poet describes a tiger in its natural surroundings. In the first stanza, we read about a tiger inside a cage. Now the poet is describing a tiger in its natural surroundings or a jungle. The poet Leslie Norris says the tiger should not have been locked in a cage. He should be in a jungle, hiding in the shadow, quietly moving through the long grass near a water body, waiting for its prey like a plump or a fat deer, passing by that place perhaps to drink water. इस स्टैंजा में पोएट कहते हैं कि टाइगर को केज में ना होकर जंगल में होना चाहिए था, जहाँ वो शैडो के पीछे अपने शिकार के लिए छुपकर इंतज़ार करता. शैडो के पीछे या लंबी घास में चुपचाप पानी के पास अपने शिकार हिरन का इंतज़ार करता. अब थर्ड स्टैंजा. He should be snarling around houses at the jungle's edge, baring his white fangs, his claws, terrorizing the village. The poet says the tiger should have been free and growling and baring his teeth around the houses at the edge of the jungle. He should be showing his fangs or sharp teeth and claws to terrorize or scare the villagers. पोएट लेस्ली नॉरिस कहते हैं टाइगर को केज में नहीं बल्कि जंगल में फ्री रहना चाहिए, और नॉर्मली जैसे होता है उसको जंगल के किनारे में रहने वाले लोगों को दहाड़ के और अपने नुकीली दांत और पंजे या क्लॉस को दिखाकर डराना चाहिए. यही एक टाइगर के लिए नॉर्मल और नेचुरल है. But he's locked in a concrete cell, his strength behind bars, stalking the length of his cage, ignoring visitors. Now the poet says, in reality, the tiger is in a cage. The tiger is not in the jungle. It is in a cage locked in a concrete and strong cell. He is helpless. He cannot show his strength. His strength is also locked behind the bars. Therefore, he is walking angrily inside the cell, ignoring visitors who have come to visit the zoo and look at the tiger. पोइट कहते हैं टाइगर रियलिटी में पिंजरे में है, वो जंगल में नहीं है, वो पिंजरे में है, वो पिंजरे में बंद है, उसकी ताकत भी पिंजरे के बार्स के पीछे बंद है, वो सिर्फ गुस्से में पिंजरे के अंदर चहलकदमी कर रहा है, विजिटर्स की तरफ भी उसका कोई ध्यान नहीं है. He hears the last voice at night, the patrolling cars, and stares with his brilliant eyes at the brilliant stars. The last voice he hears at night is the patrolling cars or the police vehicles that guard the town at night. The tiger is sad and agonized. He's helpless. He cannot do anything. He just stares at the shining stars with his brilliant और शाइनिंग आइज़. रात को टाइगर के पहरा देने वाली गाड़ियों की आवाज़ सुनाई देती है. टाइगर हेल्पलेस है, वो कुछ नहीं कर पा रहा है, वो सिर्फ हेल्पलेसली शाइनिंग स्टार्स को अपनी ब्रिलियंट चमकदार आँखों से देखता है. Through this poem, the poet has conveyed that animals should not be confined to cages. They belong to the wild and they have a right to live in natural habitats. They have a right to live their life. Places where they belong. In the poem, we see that a regal animal like a tiger has been kept in a small cage. It's really a shame. So that's all. Please check the description for details. You'll find the theme, you'll find the poetic devices, the rhyme scheme, and all those things in the description. So please check the description box and please subscribe, share, and like my video. And don't forget to send your comments. I'll be waiting for them. Bye.